Today I will teach you how to create such a shadow text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. Go to Properties. We will use this font. Select this text layer. Right click and choose Blending option. Click this gradient. Follow these settings. Press OK. Alt Shift press copy this text. Follow the process. Now we will change the numbering of the text. Now we will select all the text and adjust it to the center. Press Ctrl G, group. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now we will copy the text by pressing Alt. Press Ctrl T, right click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the text. Now we will click on Add Mask and get the mask. Go to Gradient tool, follow the process. Go to Type tool, choose this font. Type your text. Adjust the text. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.